buddies, before I move on, I just want to make a quick shout out to the people behind Tutela Marine Incorporated and Knights of Columbus Council number 15541. Shout out to you guys. Anyways, let's get on with today's CTV exclusives with today's special guest, Cole of Quad Labs. Enjoy!
The views and opinions expressed by the host do not necessarily reflect those of the company and its management. Furthermore, the views and opinions of the guests do not reflect those of the host, the show, the management, and the network.
Hi, buddies! Welcome to the show. Welcome to CTV Exclusives. My name is Don Banana. I'm your host this afternoon. Today is a very special edition. Well, you can simply say we waited a while for this, technically, but one of our guest today is a member of a very popular girl group, and now she's part of a group which is right now the global unit of AKB48. So let's welcome Cole of Quad Labs.
Hi, hello everyone. I'm Cole from MNL48 and in Quadlibs. Nice to meet you.
Yes, nice to meet you too. Welcome to the show, Cole. How's it like adjusting to Thailand?
For me, mahirap kasi syempre nahiwalay ako sa family and Filipinos are very known to be close to their families. So, yeah, and living in Thailand is very different kasi lalo na sa pagkain. But yeah, being with my members, it became easier dahil madali silang pakisamahan.
Yes, mas maganda nga na makisabay. So, in case you're wondering, we were going to have the other 3 members from the other countries, but they were busy. So,
Mhm.
pero okay lang kahit si Cole lang kasi pride natin yan, di ba?
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Pride ng ating bansa.
Thank you.
So, how did it all started? Paano nagsimulang lahat? How does it feel to be part of Quadlets?
So, as you've mentioned, we have 4 members. One is from Thailand, one from Japan, one from Indonesia, and then Philippines. So, each yung mga management ng bawat grupo, which is SKE48, JKT48, BNK, and MNL48, sila po yung nag-usap para, ayun, ito, to form this global unit. Yes.
So, maganda yan kasi very unusual for the sake na meron ka magkaroon ng global group. But, you can simply say na AKB48, one of the OG J-pop groups na nagsimulang lahat at nagdala dito sa ating bansa with MNL48. You can simply say na okay naman ang ginagawa nila. You can say.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
you mentioned those 3 other members. Can you tell us kung gaano kayo ka-close sa isa't isa?
Oh, super close kami to the point na we're very comfortable with each other in saying yung mga problems, concerns, mostly mga likes and dislikes namin. We're really close. We have a good relationship with each other, really.
Yes, very good talaga considering you all come from different
Yeah.
cultures, different backgrounds, and especially different places. It's important to note na we all unite because of music.
Yeah. Yes, yes.
Hope you agree. You agree with that. And by the way,
Of course.
let me add that to that. You look pretty today in that hairdo today. Sino ba nag-stand yan?
We earlier had a TV show, so nakaayos yung hair ko. Ayan.
You look pretty
Wala,
today.
straight lang.
Nag-shampoo ka ba, girl? Hindi ko pwede banggitin ang brand.
Wala, no brands, no brands.
No, we can't do that. Now, I did my homework earlier, aka research, at sinabi, paborito mo, marami kang paboritong food gaya ng adobo. Yes,
Yes.
paborito mo talaga isa sa mga quote-unquote national dishes na dapat
Of
maging
course.
national dishes. Isa na
Oo
diyan,
nga.
paborito mo din ang pansit, ice
Yes.
cream, lumpiang toge, carbonara,
O,
suman,
di
and
ba?
cake.
Pinoy na Pinoy.
Very Pinoy.
Yes.
So, if,
Mm.
if you can only eat one food for the rest of your life, what would it be and why?
My answer is straight adobo. Kahit araw-araw na adobong, kahit anong adobo, chicken, adobong manok, adobong baboy, kahit anong adobo, kaya kong kainin araw-araw.
Kahit adobong baka.
Okay lang, basta adobo. Adobo ang luto. Tapos luto ni mommy, grabe.
Yes, mother's
Adobo.
cooking is always the best. Kahit yung
Mm.
lola, masarap din. Yung
Legit,
luto ng lola
oo.
ko, best. Now, sabi sa fact sheet na nakita ko online, is
Mm.
it true na you can sometimes sleepwalk and talk while you are asleep? Totoo ba yun?
Yes, my story yan kasi when I was, I don't know, basta when I was a kid, I woke up on top of a table.
Oh
Yeah,
my gosh.
sa bahay, on top of a table. Tapos, my mom would tell me na, ala, nakita kita na nakasilip ka sa pintuan. Eh, yung pintuan namin, like, door, tas hagdan. Can you imagine na nakadungaw lang ako na ganyan sa may pintuan? And like, yun, nagising si mommy in the middle of the night. Ginagawa mo dyan? Ayun, so my mom can confirm na, yes, I can sleepwalk and sleep talk.
Naman, pero make sure okay ka na wala kang mga insomnia or
Mm.
anything.
Oh,
Just
wala
make
naman, wala naman.
good, good, good. Just making sure.
Mm.
Now, being the tallest member of MNL48, did you ever think about joining a beauty pageant?
Oh, wow. It's been, I mean, any opportunity that comes knocking on my door naman, I would really accept. But yeah, right now I had an opportunity with Quadlips and I'm just really making the most out of it kasi it's a very different experience here in Quadlips na we're trying to interlink extreme sports with our music, yun yung skateboarding, surfing, snowboarding. Yeah. And ayun, that's why I took a chance then here sa Quadlips.
Ooh, interesting. You mentioned about extreme sports.
Mm-mm.
Marami ka bang natutunan ng mga tricks from the extreme sports?
Hindi pa tricks, but na-try ko na mag-skateboarding, which I never tried my entire life. So thanks to being here, part of Quadlips, we get to try different extreme sports. And that's, I feel like, one of the unique things Quadlips has offered me.
Yes, we appreciate the management of Quadlets over there.
Hmm.
To all of our people.
Papunta.
Welcome back. And let's give him a welcome to the management. He's watching us on our Zoom. He's not on screen. The management. Hello, Sir
Hmm.
Thumb. Welcome to the show.
Hello, hello.
Thank you. He's not here, but he's just like the voice of God. Ika nga.
Yeah.
Anyways, you can sit back and enjoy the show. We're continuing. So, like I mentioned, you're adjusting. How is it different to the adjusting from the usual Filipino culture to the Thai culture? How is it different than ours?
Everything was new to me, new people, new environment. Tapos nakaka-pressure pa kasi um I'm representing my country, the Philippines, so I need to be worthy of this spot. I had a hard time din kasi I'm really close to my family and mahirap yung I have younger siblings din kasi, so sanay ako na may inaasar na kapatid, sanay ako na I can get advice from my parents anytime I want, anytime I need, but here wala sila. Um, and I have to do things on my own. I have to decide for myself. I need to take care of myself. And ayun, nahirapan ako mag-adjust to the point na there was a time na ayun, wala, iyak lang ng iyak kasi malungkot eh. Malungkot na nasanay ka na may taong nagko-comfort sa'yo palagi. But yeah, now I learned a lot about myself, and I think that's the important part of this experience.
Yes, the important thing is everything's a learning process.
Yeah.
Life's a journey. You just need to learn from your mistakes,
Hmm.
and every mistake you learn.
Yes.
Every So, speaking of which, so you're here to tell us that you have a new single that was released last
Mm.
May, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So can you tell us
Um,
the creative process behind it?
oh,
Overdrive?
Overdrive. So as I mentioned earlier, Quadlips is all about extreme sports, and Overdrive is about surfing naman. So ano ba yung feeling pag nagsa-surfing? 'Di ba parang masaya lang, nakaka-relieve, ang fresh, and yun yung gusto namin iparating with Overdrive, but in the context of falling in love. So um kasi similar sila, pag in love ka, ang sarap lang sa feeling na may minamahal, may nagmamahal sa'yo. And yeah, yun yung context of Overdrive.
So let me ask it once and for all. Are Thais really good lovers as well?
I cannot confirm nor deny, but my friend Fame is very, very caring. Siya yung Thai na member namin. And yeah, very, very caring si Fame.
But you can come, but they are really good people as well.
Yeah, of course, of
And they're one of the
course.
nicest too. And one of the best pageant bands, if I may add. Best pageant bands in Asia besides the Philippines.
Yeah,
Anyways, let's
very.
just move on. Ano ba nami-miss mo sa Pilipinas?
Ooh. Siyempre family and friends, pero bukod dun yung pagkain.
Yes. Is there a similar food to adobo in Thailand?
Adobo. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung tawag, pero recently may nakain akong similar yung
You
taste. Nakalimutan ko
can
kung ano yung
ask
later.
the guy. You can ask Mr. Thumb about. Mr. Thumb, what was that food
Yeah,
about?
Bogdan. Do
Remember
you remember
again?
what we ordered last time at
What
the
did she order?
restaurant?
Thai
It's just like
Thai
adobo.
food.
Yeah. The one we ordered, the same meal.
The meal. I mean,
I
we went
forgot
to a
what
lot.
it's called. The pork.
There's
Uh,
what is it? It's like last Thursday or something.
yeah.
At I sit in different table of you guys, but you guys ordered eat together. That I remember.
We
Yeah.
have similar meal. We have the same meal.
Oh, you ordered the same thing? Yeah.
What's it called?
I actually have a receipt, but can I like went and get it for a little bit? If you
Okay,
can wait for a bit, then
Okay, we can wait for that.
okay.
Okay, we can wait. Okay, so while we wait, you can help us on this one. So can you describe to us that meal?
Ayun, ano siya, pork, tapos, although medyo more, it's spicier than adobo. Kasi di ba adobo
Oh,
has paminta, onti lang. That
or
one was a
pepper.
bit spicier. Pepper. Um, Ayun, mayroon din siyang suka, I believe, toyo. Yeah, exactly same ingredients, but different spices. Ganun siya.
Oh,
I
it's like
actually here now is
Mm-mm.
in Thai is called khao na mu tun. Do you know
khao
that?
na.
Khao na mu tun. It's pork, steaming pork something, I think.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Very
Mahirap
interesting.
na
Thank you very much.
bigkasin.
Hapnukan again.
Yeah.
Hapon ka.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much for the clarification about the dish here.
Mm.
See, everyone, Thais are you can tell that Thais have similar taste to our country.
Yeah.
similar in the sense that, na they are good cooks too. That's
Yeah,
why.
of course.
How was it? Was it so? Before we do anything else, you have a message to your supporters who are tuned in right now, especially lots of the lalabs who are tuned in.
Oh, hello, hello, MN Loves, mga lalabs ko, and overall supporters. I really want to thank you, and I appreciate every single one of you for following my journey from MNL48 to Quad Lips and for more to come. So I really hope that ma-appreciate nyo and we all can enjoy the journey. Thank you
Yes,
so much.
especially we're getting closer to the reveal of that new single from the MNL48.
Mm.
We are excited to hear that soon.
Yes, yes, yes.
We're excited to hear that. Anyways, what should we expect from you and the other members? I wish we can have the other members with us, pero di kinaya ng
Mm.
oras.
Yeah. Well, I feel like we have a lot of music upcoming and music videos, and maybe sooner or later an album. Not sure, pero mm, secret muna everything, and
Let's
promotions of
just
course.
put it at
Hmm?
that. Your socials can follow the group
Yes,
at.
yes. We have Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube at Quadlips, QUADLIPS.
It's like spelling. You have 4 lips in
Lips.
there.
Yeah, 4 lips, tama.
But yes, all I can say, I hope you had fun in this interview. This is so much fun. This is quite the story because naghintay na nga ako ng almost 6 years para mag-interview ako ng MNL48 member. And I feel very
Wow.
honored to interview
Thank
you.
you. Thank you so much.
So I hope we can get that opportunity to do another interview with this time all 4 of you in the flesh.
Mm.
Maybe through Zoom or something, but you had a good time. Let's hope lots of people will be in overdrive when you hear the new single.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. That's co-op MNL48 and Quad Lips, who has a new single called Overdrive, which is out on all streaming platforms. My name is Don Banana. You've been watching CTV Exclusives. Thank you for watching, and as always,